Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about pin lock setting and guys you can say pin password how to set in our oppo K10 5G phone. Guys, you want to set your pin lock password, so you can set it. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set pin password. So let's start video friends. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys click on password and security setting. This password and security guys. Tap here. Guys click on lock screen password. Then guys you can see this important notice guys, you want to read, so guys you can read it. Then guys after read it guys, click on continue option. Guys click on numbering first one. So guys you can choose number 4 6 zip. Guys enter 6 digit number guys, we will have to choose. So example for guys, I am going to tell you only normal password 6 5 4 3 2 1. Then guys use 6 5 4 3 2 1, confirm. So guys now let's see. So as you can see now we have pin password in oppo K10 phone. So guys 6 5 4 3 2 1, enter. So are your friends, you have understood how to set pin password in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.